Welcome to back Technomy.
You'll be glad to know that we want to show you the best pantry cabinets for kitchen with the most benefits in this video. Before we begin our product review video, we'll take a look at some of the best pantry cabinets for kitchen of our time.
Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis. Let's start best 5 product review. Starting at number 1.
Product name, Prepack-Elite-Narrow-Cabinet-White. This slim cabinet has no fixed center shelf, making it ideal for storing brooms and other tall items. With more room for storage thanks to the extra 4 inches of depth, the cabinet also includes 2 adjustable shelves for holding smaller items. Use it alone or add the optional 16 stackable wall cabinet on top for a total of 89 vertical inches of storage. Constructed from non-toxic, CARB2 compliant, laminated composite woods. Ships ready to assemble, includes an instruction booklet for easy assembly and has a 5-year manufacturer limited warranty. Manufactured in Canada and meets all North American safety standards. Stylish brushed metal handle. Door features high quality, European-style 6-way adjustable hinges that mount to open left or right. 2 adjustable shelves. 4 deeper than the standard 12-depth. MDF doors with profiled rounded edges add a level of sophistication. Slip this narrow cabinet into a small space to get more use out of your home's square footage. 2 adjustable shelves let you easily configure the tall interior space to fit your stored items. And European-style 6-way adjustable hinges allow for left or right opening to fit your space. Durable, non-toxic laminate ensures a quality construction on this slim cabinet.
Starting at number 2.
Product name, Nantucket Natural Pantry by Home Styles. With its coastal ambience and ample storage, the Home Styles Nantucket Pantry is a wonderful addition to your kitchen, dining room, or even a home office. It has a single center drawer with upper and lower doors that open to 2 adjustable shelves. The Nantucket Pantry from Home Styles offers coastal ambience and plenty of storage for your home. Suited for kitchen, dining room, or home office. Single center drawer. Upper and lower drawers open to 2 fully adjustable shelves. Antiqued brushed nickel hardware. Wood construction. Easy to assemble. Crafted from hardwood solids and veneers, with engineered wood, and finished in a natural clear maple finish. Features a single center drawer with both the upper and lower doors opening to 2 fully adjustable shelves. Antiqued brushed nickel hardware.
Starting at number 3.
Product name, Crossley Furniture Seaside Kitchen Pantry Cabinet, distressed white. Crafted with coastal charm, the Seaside Pantry is a home organizer's dream. 2 large cabinets with adjustable shelves offer ample storage for a variety of items. A large, full extension drawer sits at the center of the pantry. Featuring beautifully distressed beadboard paneling and metal hardware, the Seaside Pantry will be a welcome addition to any room in your home. Coastal design. Distressed white finish. Genuine metal hardware in an antique black finish. Beadboard paneling. 2 large cabinets with double doors and magnetic closures. 2 adjustable and removable shelves in each cabinet with a 15 pounds weight limit per shelf. 1 large storage drawer on full extension ball bearing glides. Pairs well with traditional and modern farmhouse decor. Classic designs featuring beadboard panels. Solid hardwood and wood veneer construction. 2 large cabinets with adjustable shelves. Deep storage drawer. Genuine metal hardware. Easy to assemble. 70% PB, 20% birch veneer, 10% solid poplar. Assembly required.
Starting at number 4.
Product name, Sauder-Homeplus-Storage-Cabinet-Sienna oak finish. Sort, arrange and organize with the storage cabinet from the Home Plus collection. Behind each frame panel door are 2 adjustable shelves and 1 fixed shelf for storage of pantry food, towels and more. 1 door contains swing-out storage that features 3 adjustable shelves and 3 fixed shelves. Talk about storage space. Other features include adjustable base levelers and an enclosed back panel with cord access. Finished in Sienna oak, this practical storage cabinet will solve all your storage woes. Sort, arrange and organize with the storage cabinet from the Home Plus collection. Behind each frame panel door are 2 adjustable shelves and 1 fixed shelf for storage of pantry food, towels and more. One door contains swing-out storage that features 3 adjustable shelves and 3 fixed shelves. Talk about storage space. Other features include adjustable base levelers and an enclosed back panel with cord access. Finished in sienna oak, this practical storage cabinet will solve all your storage woes. The Sauder storage cabinet offers you 2 adjustable shelves and 1 fixed shelf behind each door. The swing-out storage door on the storage cabinet features 3 adjustable and 3 fixed shelves. Unit can be assembled with swing-out storage on either left or right side. Frame panel doors. Enclosed back panel has cord access. Adjustable base levelers. Sienna oak finish.
Starting at number 5.
Product name, Sauder-Homeplus-Storage-Cabinet, salt oak finish. Stylish storage where you need it. This storage cabinet from the HomePlus collection will fit all your storage needs. Behind each frame panel door, this tall storage cabinet features 1 fixed shelf and 2 adjustable shelves for customizable storage space. This cabinet is a perfect place to store clothes, books, towels and more. This cabinet with doors also includes a swing-out storage door with 3 adjustable and 3 fixed shelves for additional storage and organization for items like DVDs, CDs, video games, whatever home items that need a place to be stored. To better accommodate your space, this storage cabinet can be assembled with a swing-out storage door on the left or right side. Convenient cord organization with an enclosed back panel helps keeps your storage armoire free of cord clutter. Adjustable levelers at the base ensure that your cabinet with storage doors will be aligned and level, even if the floor is not. Finished in salt oak, this good-looking wood storage cabinet will have your home looking clean and organized in no time. 2 adjustable shelves and 1 fixed shelf sit behind each door in our storage cabinet. Swing-out storage door features 3 adjustable and 3 fixed shelves. This storage cabinet unit can be assembled with swing-out storage on either left or right side. Frame panel doors. Enclosed back panel has cord access. Adjustable base levelers.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.